Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahmi Hafiz bin Muhammad Zuki, and in this video I will present about what is the double sideband suppressed carrier and how to simulate. Next, double sideband is transmission in which frequency produced by amplitude modulation. DSBSC only contain upper sideband and lower sideband. There is no carrier where the carrier is suppressed. The power of the carrier will be distributed to the both sideband. The DSBSC helps in reducing power, but bandwidth still same as the double sideband full carrier. So on the left side, this is the balance modulator. AF modulating signal as the message signal, and RF carrier signal as the carry signal. So this is the output for the suppressed carrier. On the right side, we will discuss about the waveform. This is the full carrier waveform. Full carrier waveform where the carrier still exists. To know how the carrier still exists, let's see the envelope. The envelope is floating and didn't reach 0, where while the suppressed carrier, the envelope reach 0, and at the point there are the phase transition, which is the phase is shift by 180 degrees. Next, I will show the demonstration of the simulating in Matlab. So this is the circuit of balance modulator. This baseband, sandwich baseband, is the message signal and the carrier signal here. And I use multiplier for the input and connect to the scope. First, let's see the parameter. Amplitude is 1, same as carrier. Amplitude is 1, frequency 1000. So let's run this simulation. After done running, double click on the scope to see the output waveform. So this is the output waveform. Let me zoom in. So at the point at 0, this is the phase transition, which the waveform is shaped by 180 degrees. It's like a mirror for the both side, left side and the right side. So this is the waveform of double sideband suppressed carrier. Thank you for watching.